To ensure the proper adhesion of a new coating, it's essential to prep the surface first, including the removal of any failing or flaking paint. If the building or structure was built before 1980, there is a good chance the old paint contains lead or other hazardous materials, requiring extra care during the abrasive blasting and waste disposal process. Hazardous coatings and contaminants are found everywhere, from shipyards and manufacturing facilities to water tanks, treatment plants, bridges, mill buildings, and historic sites. The secret to better, safer abatement comes with the added benefit of the best surface prep in the industry, SpongeJet. SpongeJet allows for the safe, productive removal of lead-based coatings, asbestos, PCBs, hexavalent chromium, and other hazardous material found on older substrates, while simultaneously scrubbing the surface free of invisible contaminants like oils, chlorides, and nuclear radiation. Contaminants often hinder adhesion, leading to coating failures and corrosion, ultimately compromising surface integrity. SpongeJet technology not only removes paint and profiles metal for recoating, but also reaches the equivalent cleanliness of an SP1 solvent clean in a single step. Sponge Media's open-celled foam suppresses dust at the point of generation up to 95%, reducing the spread of hazardous airborne particles. Containment can be simplified with SpongeJet, with less risks of breaches created from high ricochet abrasives. The cost of disposing of waste generated from hazardous coatings removal can be daunting. We've got good news. Sponge Media is recyclable, which can create a savings of up to 85% in waste disposal costs, a relief to owners with cradle-to-grave responsibilities, for contractors removing hazardous coatings, or for those seeking the best possible surface prep. SpongeJet provides unmatched abatement and decontamination capabilities. Ensure the quality, durability, and effectiveness of your new coating by putting SpongeJet to work for you on your next project.